In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get clients from Dubai, and it is very useful. If you have an agency, then you can get clients from Dubai, and you can scrap the data online of Dubai client, and it is free of cost. So let me go to my PC and show you how you can get the clients.
So first of all, you need to open google.com, and herein you need to type Dubai Business Directory and simply press on enter. You can open this Dubai Business Directory website. After that, you need to click on these services offered. You can select any service. So let me select bathroom and kitchens, and you can search the company or simply click on go. It will take a few seconds and it will give you a lot of results. You can scroll down and see there are so many contact number you can see directly, and email address and website. You can see there are so many. You can directly send them a message, you can call them, you can send them WhatsApp messages. Before doing that, I would request you to review their website once, and or you can also review their social media pages.
I hope friends, now you will be able to collect clients from Dubai, and you can contact them simply by sending emails or sending messages on WhatsApp or directly call them, and it is very useful. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.